feels so good. It feels so good, and it's super economical. All right, guys, so this is how my face is looking right now. I'm about to apply, let me just show you. I'm about to apply my turmeric charcoal mask. I listed some of the benefits of activated charcoal for your skin. You can just pause this video and read it through if you'd like. Then I also listed some benefits of the turmeric powder for your skin. These benefits are incredible, guys. All right, and now I'm just showing you the turmeric powder that I'll be using. It's from Starwest Botanicals, and I'll be using activated charcoal by Windmill. And this is how I'm making the product. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I'll be using a capsule. If you don't have a capsule and you have just the activated charcoal powder, you could use a 1/4 teaspoon as well for this mask. Sometimes it's a little bit of trouble to open it, so you just have to wiggle it until you get it open. Then you're all good to go. All right, then I'm just mixing it up right here. I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. What I did was add a 1/4 teaspoon of water, which I did need more, so I just added another one. And you just want it to be kind of a paste, but then you don't want it to be too thick where it's hard to apply it to your face. Want it to be kind of like this paste. You do want to be able to apply it to your skin without it like falling off, which is what happened if you don't add enough water. I'm using, of course, my mask brush. Just gonna apply it. Then I'm pretty much just about to boil my water to steam my face. And guys, if you have the steamer, that's cool. This is the old school way of doing it. And I'm just adding a little bit of peppermint oil to it, just 2 drops, just so I can like get like that fresh feel when I'm done. And guys, honestly, you could use whatever essential oil you want to use. But the peppermint just kind of like woke me up. This was the morning time. I like using peppermint in the morning and lavender at night. All right, guys, this is how my face is looking after steaming, and my face just feels incredible. Even before I wash it off, my face just feels like all the toxins are gone, all the impurities were pulled out. It feels like I know my pores are just open, and the charcoal is like pulling those toxins right now. And I'm so excited to wash my face off to show you guys how it looks. So here goes. All right, guys, so I'm just drying my face, pat drying it with a paper towel. And tell me in a set of difference, because my face feels incredible. It's like I can feel the toxins gone. Okay, maybe I'm being extra, but it just feels so clean, and it feels a little bit minty because I added the peppermint oil to the hot water. So, you know, everything just like I can breathe properly. I can breathe. Super simple, super easy. It legit costs nothing because all I use is the activated charcoal capsules and the turmeric, which could last you forever. So this is definitely my go-to DIY face mask, and it just leaves my face feeling smooth. Like, honestly, you could do this like twice a week and try to like fix your skin. And guys, just a tip, if you're doing this mask, do put on a black shirt or a dark colored shirt, or a shirt that you don't care that much for, because it is turmeric, and turmeric does stain. Charcoal plus turmeric, no bueno for a light colored or white shirt. Okay, so guys, I will leave the link below for the Starwest Botanicals turmeric root organic powder. I literally paid like under $7 for a pound, and it's a great deal. You saw how big the bag is, so that's a steal. You can't get anything better than that, guys. The link is down below if you want to purchase that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Try this, let me know if you tried it and how it made your face feel. Please like this video, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much, guys. Peace and love as always. Bye.